TK Shows Ya, and today we are going to be making stress balls. When you squish them, glitter kind of like spins in them. So we'll need a clear balloon, some glitter, any choice of yours, a funnel, and a bowl of water. So first get your balloon, put it on the funnel, and then pour a bit of glitter in. You don't want too much. By the way, I'm using purple glitter because purple is my favourite colour. Just give it a shake so that the glitter can go into the balloon. And then you want to pour in some water till the balloon kind of like expands, like maybe 2/3 and a half of water. That should do. Then you want to carefully take the balloon off the funnel. Try not to spill water. I spilled a tiny bit. Then you want to knot it. Give it a few squishes so that the glitter can mix in, and you're done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. You can kind of see the glitter. I think what I could have improved is maybe put more glitter in, because you can only see a tiny bit of it. I also like how it kind of colours the water. I don't actually know if it colours the water or if the water is like kind of glitterish. I like the pink and purple one. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe.